Michelle Marquez D, hindi napigilan na magbigay ng kanyang saloobin patungkol sa recent post or apology mula sa Miss Universe El Salvador Organization. Narito ang buong detalye. Sa naging recent post or apology mula sa Miss Universe El Salvador Organization, ay samut-sari nga ang naging reaksyon at komento ng mga netizens. Karamihan nga ay dismayado sa naging resulta ng top 5 ng 72nd Miss Universe competition. Ayon nga sa post ng Miss Universe El Salvador Organization. Our mistake. In the rush to get our posts up during Saturday's live broadcast, we accidentally mixed up the names of 2 finalists. This was a simple error of moving too fast. We heard the same results live at the same time that you all did, no special access over here. We're sorry to both finalists. Dahil nga dito, ay hindi napigilan ng ating Miss Universe Philippines representative na si Michelle Marquez D, na magbigay ng kanyang saloobin patungkol sa nasabing post. There should be no room for error. But the reality is that, we live in an imperfect world. My request is not just to be respectful to the delegates, but to the supporters that are so passionate about this platform as well. But again, everything happens for a reason and it's just a matter of seeing it as a lesson or a blessing. So always act with love, kindness, and respect. All love. My thoughts on the viral post earlier today. Kayo, anong masasabi nyo tungkol sa naging pahayag ni Michelle D pati na rin sa naging post or apology ng Miss Universe El Salvador Organization? At kung ano ang inyong komento at saloobin, just comment down below. Thank you for watching and see you on my next one.